Certainly. Here are 90 amazing facts about coyotes. Scientific name. The scientific name for coyotes is Canis latrans. Appearance. Coyotes resemble a medium-sized dog with a bushy tail and pointed ears. Range. Coyotes are highly adaptable and are found throughout North America, from Alaska to Panama. Habitat. They can thrive in various environments, including forests, deserts, mountains, and urban areas. Diet. Coyotes are omnivores, feeding on a diverse diet of small mammals, birds, fruits, and insects. Communication. Coyotes are known for their distinctive yipping and howling sounds, which they use for communication. Social structure. Coyotes are generally solitary animals, but they can form family groups with a mated pair and their offspring. Pups. Coyote pups are usually born in the spring, with litters ranging from 3 to 12 pups. Lifespan. In the wild, coyotes typically live around 10 to 14 years. Adaptability. They have successfully adapted to living in close proximity to human settlements. Nocturnal behavior. Coyotes are primarily nocturnal, meaning they are most active during the night. Speed. Coyotes can run at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. Jumping ability. They are excellent jumpers, capable of clearing fences over 6 feet high. Territorial. Coyotes are territorial animals and mark their territories with urine. Clever hunters. Known for their intelligence, coyotes use various hunting strategies to catch prey. Population control. Coyotes play a role in controlling rodent populations, helping to maintain ecological balance. Hybridization. Coyotes can interbreed with domestic dogs, creating hybrids known as coy dogs. Scent marking. Coyotes use scent marking to communicate and establish territory boundaries. Mating season. The mating season for coyotes is typically in late winter. Survival instincts. Coyotes are survivors and can adapt to changing environments and food sources. Environmental impact. Their presence can affect the behavior and population of other wildlife. Fur color. Coyotes can have fur ranging from gray and brown to red and white. Urban coyotes. Some coyotes have adapted to urban environments, living in parks and green spaces within cities. Keen sense of smell. Coyotes have an acute sense of smell, aiding them in locating food and avoiding predators. Excellent vision. They also have excellent vision, particularly adapted for low light conditions. Hunting strategies. Coyotes may hunt alone or in pairs, using teamwork to catch larger prey. Prey selection. Their diet includes rabbits, rodents, birds, insects, and sometimes carrion. Canine distemper. Coyotes can be susceptible to diseases like canine distemper and mange. Playful behavior. Coyotes exhibit playful behavior, especially among pups, which helps develop hunting skills. Winter coat. In colder climates, coyotes develop a thicker winter coat for insulation. Migration. Some coyotes exhibit seasonal migration in search of food and mates. Human-coyote conflict. Urban coyotes may occasionally come into conflict with humans and pets. Livestock predation. In rural areas, coyotes may prey on livestock, leading to conflicts with farmers. Nictitating membrane. Like many animals, coyotes have a nictitating membrane, or third eyelid, for eye protection. Fossil history. The fossil record indicates that coyotes evolved in North America around 1 million years ago. Night vision. Coyotes have well-developed night vision, aiding in their nocturnal activities. Home range. Coyotes have a home range that they actively defend against intruders. Interactions with wolves. Coyotes may interact with and sometimes compete with larger predators like wolves. Hibernation food source. In winter, coyotes may feed on hibernating animals, such as ground squirrels. Tracking prey. They use a stalking technique when hunting, moving quietly and slowly towards their prey. Scavenging. Coyotes are opportunistic scavengers, feeding on carrion when available. Temperature regulation. Coyotes regulate their body temperature through panting in hot weather and thick fur in cold weather. Agility. Coyotes are agile climbers and swimmers, allowing them to navigate various terrains. Dispersal. Young coyotes may disperse over long distances to establish their territories. Dental formula. The dental formula for coyotes is 3/3, 1/1, 4/4, 2/3. Subspecies. There are 19 recognized subspecies of coyotes, adapted to different regions. Human vocalizations. Coyotes can imitate human vocalizations, leading to folklore about talking coyotes. Winter foraging. During winter, coyotes may follow plows and snowmobiles to find exposed prey. Symbiotic relationships. Coyotes can form symbiotic relationships with badgers, where they may hunt together. Monogamous pairs. In some cases, coyotes form monogamous pairs that mate for life. Scare tactics. Various non-lethal methods, such as loud noises and flashing lights, are used to deter coyotes from urban areas. Disease reservoir. Coyotes can act as reservoirs for diseases like rabies and canine parvovirus. Solitary travelers. Coyotes often travel alone, covering large distances in search of food. Neoteny. Coyotes exhibit neoteny, retaining juvenile characteristics into adulthood. Migratory patterns. Some coyotes show migratory patterns, moving between different elevations in mountainous areas. Invasive species impact. In areas where coyotes have been introduced, they can have a significant impact on local ecosystems. Playful behavior. Coyotes engage in play to develop social bonds and refine hunting skills. Courtship rituals. Mated pairs engage in courtship rituals, involving mutual grooming and bonding activities. Ancient depictions. Coyotes are depicted in ancient Native American mythology and art. Native American symbolism. In Native American symbolism, the coyote is often associated with cleverness and adaptability. Role in folklore. Coyotes feature prominently in various Native American and Western folklore. Adaptable diet. Coyotes adjust their diet based on seasonal food availability. Dietary shifts. In urban areas, coyotes may shift to a diet rich in human-produced food. Urbanization impact. Urbanization can lead to both challenges and benefits for coyotes. Lone howling. Lone howling by coyotes may serve to attract mates or establish territory. Prey mimicry. Coyotes can mimic the distress calls of other animals to attract potential prey. Pup dispersal age. Coyote pups typically disperse from their birth pack when they are around 6 months old. Contribution to ecosystems. Coyotes contribute to ecosystem health by controlling small mammal populations. Mating success. Dominant coyotes often have higher mating success and reproductive output. Fleet feet. Coyotes have well-padded, flexible feet, allowing for silent movement. Natural predators. Coyote populations are regulated by natural predators such as wolves and mountain lions. Hunting efficiency. Coyotes are efficient hunters, with a success rate of around 50% when hunting alone. Marking behavior. Coyotes use urine marking and feces to communicate with other coyotes. Den site selection. Female coyotes carefully select den sites to protect their pups from predators. Winter survival techniques. Coyotes may form temporary hunting packs in winter to increase hunting success. Disease tolerance. Coyotes can tolerate and survive exposure to diseases that are lethal to some other species. Molt patterns. Coyotes experience molt patterns in their fur, shedding and regrowing hair in different seasons. Habituation. In areas with frequent human presence, coyotes can become habituated to human activities. Fossils in La Brea tar pits. Fossil evidence of ancient coyotes has been found in the La Brea tar pits in Los Angeles. Climate adaptation. Coyotes have adapted to diverse climates, from arid deserts to snowy tundras. Trapping and fur trade. Historically, coyotes have been trapped for their fur, contributing to the fur trade. Zoonotic diseases. Coyotes can carry zoonotic diseases, highlighting the importance of responsible interaction. Livestock guardian dogs. Livestock guardian dogs are sometimes used to protect livestock from coyote predation. Genetic diversity. Coyote populations exhibit high genetic diversity, aiding in adaptation to different environments. Habitat fragmentation. Urbanization and habitat fragmentation can impact coyote populations. Conservation status. Coyotes are not considered endangered, and their populations are generally stable. Alloparenting. Coyote packs often engage in alloparenting, where non-breeding individuals help raise the pups. Hunting regulations. In some regions, hunting regulations are implemented to control coyote populations. Resource sharing. Coyote packs may share resources, such as food, within the social group. Cooperative hunting. Cooperative hunting is observed in some coyote packs, increasing their hunting efficiency.